Hello, everybody. Hello.
Hello.
Лика.
Where's
Ах, ты ж такая, вон
There
она
she is.
ховается. Наша гимнастка. Едем на соревнования. Лика участвует в соревнованиях. Айзек, привет. Сидят гаврики малые. У нас сегодня 20 января 25 года. Зима на улице у нас. В Эри зима. Холодно. Снег перестал только идти. Снег валил. Это у нас яхт-клуб здесь. Озеро, интересно, залив замерзший, да? Глянь, там такое белое, такое метет все. Залив замерзший. Вот уж я и хотел на залив посмотреть, съездить. Но погоды не было на выходных вообще. Снег валил и валил. О, как чистят. Тише, не спеши. О, как чистит. Во.
Thank goodness for them.
Ага. Соревнования будут в конференц-центре у нас. Вот там чуть дальше конференц-центр большой. Convention называется центр. Там будут соревноваться все детвора.
Yes, we are. We have one more after this.
Вон, глянь, замерзший, залив замерзший, и там какая-то, не спеши, и там какая-то, как пурга такая, ну ветренность сегодня, рыбаки там сидят некоторые. Вау. Вон они как уже пускают, уже по-другому машины пускают. Ага. О, Gymnastics уже приехали. О, сколько машин, сколько.
We're gonna go all the way up front, and then we'll work our way down to see if
Да, машин сколько, вау, да есть
it's
место.
packed. No one
Можно.
said it's packed, but the session ends. Their session ends at 3:45, and then seats will open, and so we'll have seats. I know, baby. Don't worry. I'm gonna make a loop to make sure nobody has left.
Идем, машин сколько. Все приехали смотреть. Разные возраста сегодня. Ликин возраст вот будет где-то с 4, наверное, часов сегодня. Другие постарше. Leah, be careful, глянь, wires on your leg.
Oh yeah, pick up the thing.
Мы с Айзеком. А мы с Айзеком, да, идем тоже. Машин много. Сильно. Мы поставили дальше, получается. Припарковались дальше чуть-чуть. Всем привет! Всем привет, скажи, Айзек. Вот так. Вот такой конвеншн-центр. Ага. Они еще на паркинге, да?
Да.
Нашли, где припарковаться?
All the way back.
Да.
Right behind your.
Угу. Потом негде припарковаться.
Вы проехали вокруг, думали,
Да.
что близко будет.
Ничего нету. Ага.
It doesn't matter. If you have this, you can go anywhere. Okay? Leave it on my body too. Leah, Maddie, we don't need it. You're gonna need You get a shoe. Jackson. Game.
150 athletes from like 45 gyms.
Ого, 1000 с чем-то атлетов с 45 школ, 4-5 штатов. Нью-Йорк, Вест-Вирджиния, Нью-Йорк, Вест-Вирджиния, что еще? Огайо, Пенсильвания, Мичиган.
She has to be here by 3:30, and they're gonna get her by 3:30.
Come with me, Leah. We'll figure out what
All right, where's Miss Right there. Right there. Go. Thank you. It's okay. Yes to everything. Oh, there's Ava. This guy. Are they in their pink? Yes, a bit of a They will introduce each team after warm-up. Bianca, I'm gonna go get my phone and everyone's jumping around.
2,000 athletes from 50 quality teams around the region. So we saved the best for last. It has been 23 years since the horrific attack of 9/11/2001. This competition was founded in that aftermath of 9/11. Started as a tribute to pay our respect to the brave heroes. Big hand for the athletes competing in the stars. Let me introduce the teams competing in the region, level 7s, starting on vault from Erie, Pennsylvania, your host, Team Lightning. And from Morgantown, West Virginia, G-Force. Starting on the uneven bars, direct from Orchard Park, New York, please welcome the Gymnasts. And I will congratulate Buffalo on their victory. No, a lot of you are from that area. A lot of you are here from Pittsburgh area too. I was born and raised in Pittsburgh, and we hate the Ravens, so we were rooting for you guys. So direct from Orchard Park, New York, that was the Gymnastics. All right, on the balance beam from Bostontown, Ohio, Ohio Gymnastics Institute. And from Botanic, Pennsylvania, Emerald City. On the floor exercise from Avon Lake, Ohio, Great Lakes. And from Butler, Pennsylvania, the High Flyers. On deck for the vault from Greenville, PA, JGAC. From Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Premier. From Rochester, New York, Victors. And from Lancaster, New York, GSA. On deck for the unevens from Bridgeville, PA, Gym Sport Gems. From Erie, Ohio, above the bar. And from Fredonia, New York, Infinity. On deck for the balance beam from Williamsville, New York, Stumps. From Belmont, PA, Ultimate. From Elmira, New York, Summit. From Gibsonia, Pennsylvania, Roots. And from Lowell City, PA, Rogers Classics. And on deck for the floor, from Ambridge, Pennsylvania, Perfect 10. And from Hamburg, New York, Hamburg. In the blue gym, level 2s, starting on the vault from Bray, Ohio, above the bar. Starting on the unevens from Orchard Park, On deck for the unevens from Erie, PA, your host, Team Lightning. And from Newcastle, Pennsylvania, Off Limits. Ladies and gentlemen, as is tradition in our sport, would you all please rise for the national anthem? Gentlemen, please remove your caps. We have a great treat for you. In 2008, Colton then went on to become a professional singer in a boy band, Midnight Red.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Thank you, Colton. All right, last set of introductions, and I will apologize. First, I would like to thank the judges. Upon completion of this event, they will have judged 1,000 floor routines, or 1,000 bar routines, or 1,000 beat routines over the past 4 days. Votes from Erie, PA, Terry Bailey, and from Syracuse, New York, Cheryl Tosh. On the unevens, Audrey Rosinski, and from Jeanette, PA, Leanne Cardos. All right, squads A, B, C, D, please report to your first competitive event. Squads E, F, G, H, please get
for teams to go to, and then awards. We have to go to a different award.
Here, I want to get fun. I want to get this.
Мы находимся в комнате для награждений. Места 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10.
Книжка печатают на футболке эти надписи.
Джексон. Ай, где Лика? Это не Лика. Лика! Хе-хе. No.
Not right now. She just wants our workers.
In fourth place, I have a tie. I need Henley from Orchard Park and Leah from Team Lightning. In third place, I have a tie. I need Lila from Orchard Park and Sia from Off Limits. In second, June, Off Limits. And in first place, Heva, Team Lightning. These are your bars champions. Present. On balance beam, in sixth, Gwen, Off Limits. In fifth, Leah, Team Lightning. In fourth, Lila, Orchard Park. In third, Henley, Orchard Park. In second, June, Off Limits. And in first place on balance beam with a 9.375, Heva, Team Lightning. Beam winners present. On floor exercise, in sixth, Sia, Off Limits. In fifth, Lila, Orchard Park. In fourth place, I have a teammate tie. I need Henley and Olivia from Orchard Park in fourth. In third, June, Off Limits. In second, Leah, Team Lightning. And in first place on floor X, Heva, Team Lightning. Florex winners present. In the all-around, in ninth, Olivia, Orchard Park. In eighth, Gwen, Off Limits. In seventh, Mila, Off Limits. In sixth, Sia, Off Limits. In fifth, Leah, Team Lightning. In fourth, Lila, Orchard Park. In third, Henley, Orchard Park. In second, June, Off Limits. And in first place, from your host, Team Lightning, Hava. These are your Squad A all-around champions. Present.
Let's put this on.
Holy smokes, look at that hardware.
Okay, put the hardware on.
Oh, metal.
I know it's really, really heavy.
Can I get a picture?
No, I don't want a picture.
Just you standing there. Ready?
Smile.
Come on, girl.
You could take one nice picture.
Just one. Hey, where are your boots and shoes?
I'm gonna take this now.
Okay. Can you put them on? Good job, Ken.
Great job, Leah.
I like that one.
Good job, Leah. Thank you.
Itchy. You got sunglasses too?
Yeah. My long socks.
О, карточка идет. Jackson. What you bought it? You bought a sweater for mama?
Yeah. Они русские. Yeah, the Тищенко. Oh.
Кто?
Кто?
А, да?
Кто? А, что, принтует, да?
I know.
You got a 9 on your phone.
All that practice.